You can own the best TV, the best monitor, even a powerful console like the PS5 or Xbox Series X. But without the right HDMI cable, you will never get the full performance you paid for. Resolution drops, refresh rates feel unstable, audio loses clarity, and gaming becomes less immersive. That's why choosing the right HDMI cable is more important than most people think. Whether you're gaming at 4K 120Hz, watching movies in HDR, or preparing for future 8K displays, a high-quality HDMI cable makes a real difference. In this video, I'll show you the top 6 best HDMI cables for gaming, home theater, PS5, Xbox, PC, and 4K to 8K setups, covering performance, durability, compatibility, and value. Let's get started. Number 1. Highwings, a 20D402 long HDMI cable. We have a high-speed 8K HDMI 2.1 cable built for serious gamers and home theater lovers. This cable supports 48 gigabits per second bandwidth, allowing smooth 8K at 60 Hz and 4K at 120 Hz, which is perfect for PS5, Xbox Series X, and high-end gaming PCs. Dynamic HDR, 3D visuals, and full HDCP 2.2 and 2.3 compliance ensure crystal clear picture quality with deep contrast and rich colors. For gamers, this cable really shines with VRR support and eARC, eliminating screen tearing while delivering high-definition surround audio like Dolby Atmos and DTS:X. Its advanced copper construction minimizes signal loss and interference, even over longer distances. With lifetime support, this cable is a future-proof investment. Number 2. Anker A8743001 HDMI cable is a certified 8K HDMI cable designed for smooth visuals and stable connectivity. Supporting 8K at 60 Hz and 4K at 120 Hz, this cable delivers clear images with reduced lag and stable signal transfer. With up to 48 gigabits per second bandwidth, it ensures seamless video streaming and fast data flow, perfect for gaming, movies, and professional displays. Built to withstand over 1,000 bends, this HDMI cable is made for long-term durability. Whether you're connecting laptops, tablets, TVs, projectors, or monitors, this cable handles everything with ease. It's a great balance of performance, strength, and reliability. Number 3. PowerBear 3M-4K-1 paquet HDMI cable. We have a premium 4K HDMI cable for users who don't need 8K but still want excellent performance. This cable supports 4K at 60 Hz, HDR color depth, eARC, Ethernet, and high-quality audio formats like True HD 7.1. With triple shielding, gold-plated connectors, and braided nylon protection, it delivers stable signal quality and long-lasting durability. It's fully compatible with PS5, PS4, Xbox, Nintendo Switch, laptops, monitors, and projectors. If you're focused on strong 4K performance without paying extra for 8K features, this is a solid and dependable choice. Number 4. Ubluker UB333 HDMI cable. Number 4 is a fully HDMI certified ultra-high-speed cable built for next-generation performance. This cable supports extreme resolutions like 10K, 8K, 4K at up to 240 Hz and even 1080p at 360 Hz. With support for VRR, ALLM, QMS, QFT, Dynamic HDR, and 48 gigabits per second bandwidth, it's perfect for competitive gaming and professional setups. Audio support includes Dolby Vision, Dolby Atmos, DTS:X, and eARC, delivering cinema-quality sound. Compatibility spans PS5, Xbox Series X, RTX 30 and 40 GPUs, OLED TVS, soundbars, and projectors. This cable is ideal for users who want absolute top-tier performance. Number 5. KELink 4K60 HD-25 HDMI cable. we have a 25-foot-long 4K HDMI cable, ideal for wall installations and extended setups. This cable supports 4K resolution, HDR, eARC, and 3D visuals with stable 18 gigabits per second transmission. Built using high-purity copper conductors, triple shielding, and gold-plated connectors, it minimizes signal loss over long distances. It's CL3 rated, making it safe for in-wall installation, perfect for home theaters, conference rooms, or ceiling-mounted projectors. If you need a reliable long HDMI cable without stepping into 8K territory, this is a great pick. Number 6. Capshi SIN-CL3-4K-15 long HDMI cable. We have a 50-foot HDMI cable designed for basic 4K setups and extended reach. This cable supports 4K at 30 Hz, 2K, 1080p, eARC, and multi-channel audio. With triple shielding and high-purity copper wiring, it offers stable signal transmission even at long lengths. It's compatible with PS5, PS4, HD TVS, laptops, monitors, projectors, and streaming devices. For users who need distance more than refresh rate, this cable delivers solid performance at an affordable value. Final recommendation. Best overall and future-proof, number 1. Best certified high-end option, number 4. Best for standard 4K gaming, number 3. Best for long cable runs, number 5 or 6. A powerful display setup deserves a cable that won't hold it back. The right HDMI cable ensures smoother gameplay, richer colors, clearer sound, and long-term reliability. Choose the cable that fits your resolution needs, device setup, and room size, and you'll instantly notice the difference. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.